Let's talk about 6 animals when mating. Number 1, lions. The jungle kings also mate. In the safari, we mate and capture. We see a lion mating. They also produce and bring forth offsprings after their kind. Number 2 animal is a leopard. Also leopard have a love life when comes love life. Each animal enjoys. They enjoy the ambience and also the love. These are the views captured live. Are you ready for an adventure? These are kind of breathtaking views. A hyena also. Number 3 animal. Very funny. Monkeys. Number 4 animal. Also mating with a female monkey. A male and a female monkey mating. Number 5 animal is a wild dog. Quite fascinating, quite funny, quite looks like a fight. Also elephants. It's number 6 animal. Huge and very heavy, but they also do the same. Mating helps animals to increase and to have a generation and a group also. Are you ready for an adventure?